Hi, welcome to Versova Hobbies. Let's make a tunnel card of a star on a tree. To make this beautiful card, we'll require a cutting mat, 2 sheets of A4 size 160 GSM paper, 2 pages for printout, masking tape, glue, paper cutting knife, an empty ballpoint pen, pincers, steel ruler, and a scissor. Let's begin by attaching the printout on one sheet of paper of A4 size 160 GSM. We can directly take out the printout on thick sheet of paper, but in some printers it's difficult to take printouts on thick sheets of paper, so I use this method. Another advantage of this type of method is that you won't get any print lines on your main paper model. Next, we'll score out all the fold lines. Scoring the fold lines is a very important step because when you score all the fold lines, the moment you bend the paper will bend very neatly and smoothly along the fold lines and very easily also. Now we'll begin to cut all the necessary parts. Before we proceed further, a piece of advice. Kindly be very careful when using paper cutting knife because they have got sharp edges. We have to take special care when children are around because they might get hold of it and might injure themselves or someone nearby. Whenever we are not using the paper cutting knife, we should slide its blade into its protective sheath. I have designed this model so I don't need any references. But since you'll be making it for the first time, I recommend that on the main page you just jot down F for front, B for back, so that you will get some reference, because once you remove the printout page, it will be difficult to know which part is going to attach where. Because there won't be any print lines or any text written on the main page. Match the front and the back words and paste the tab. This is a very simple model and easy to assemble, and as you proceed, the steps will automatically keep falling in place. Still, I have numbered all the tabs so that it will be easy for you if there's any confusion. Well, the box is ready, but we won't close it and paste it because we need to place layers inside it. We will repeat the same steps with page number 2. That is, we'll attach the printout on a thick sheet of paper. Now we will score all the fold lines with the help of an empty or dried up ballpoint pen. We'll cut all the necessary parts. I recommend that it's always better to cut out all the small and fine details first and then go for the larger or bigger parts. Here again there won't be any print lines on the main sheet. So as references we can with the help of a pencil we can write or we can mention over there 1 or layer 1 and 2 and layer 2. We have to be particular about layer 1 and layer 2 because when we will be placing them inside the tunnel card, it should be in proper sequence, otherwise the design will not come proper. This tunnel card is symmetrical, so at least in this case we won't have to worry whether we are placing the layers in a flipped position or in a correct position. But when the tunnel card is not symmetrical, we have to be very particular not only in placing the cards in proper sequence, but also we have to see that it's properly placed, means it shouldn't be flipped. These rectangular parts are spacers, means they will ensure that proper space is provided between the layers. We had scored all the fold lines, though it's not visible in the video, but I can clearly see all the score lines. So we will fold all the fold lines first. You can notice here that scoring has helped us in properly, easily and neatly folding all the fold lines. You will notice that at one edge the lines are tapered. This is our tab. So we will apply glue on it, attach it properly, and it will become a nice spacer of rectangular shape. We will paste the remaining 5 also. So in total there will be 6 spacers, 3 for each layer. A humble request, kindly don't ask for any free templates. Hold it in the position as shown, the front and back written at the bottom. We have to place the spacers alternately at the edges. We can place the spacers in 2 ways. One way is 2 at the sides at the top and 1 at the bottom. Another way, which I prefer, is 2 at the bottom and 1 at the top. We'll apply glue on 2 sides of the spacer and place it inside. Now we will place layer 1. This layer is symmetrical, but if it's not symmetrical, then you have to place the layer in such a way that the printed portion is facing you. Paste the layer so that it won't slip out. Paste another layer of spacers. Paste the second layer inside the tunnel box in such a way that the written text is facing you. Now the final step. Close and paste the box. Voila! Our tunnel box is ready for display or to present as a gift. This This makes a great handmade gift. And handmade gifts are always appreciated because you have taken the time, you have taken the pains, you have spent your energy in making it. For more videos on similar topic, kindly visit the playlist of my channel. Hope this has inspired you into making one yourself. And as for always, thanks for watching with interest and patience.